Grab your copies of Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes below.
Don't ask me what you know is true, my friends. I'll tell you what's true. I'm Coach Vigue, Vogue with an I, your online yoga and Pilates instructor. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. But I hope you appreciate it after we get through this 10-minute, killer abdominal workout. This is a body weight workout. We're going to use this beautiful gym that we have right here. That's not J-I-M, that's G-Y-M. Is it how we spell gym? We're going to use it, we're going to expand it, we're going to strengthen it, tone it, put a nice sheen of polish on it. I like to start these workouts with a question, usually not workout related. What is the greatest, or I should say, what is your favorite TV show of all time? Write that below, along with your questions, concerns, comments, or if you just want to get something off your chest. I will let you know what my favorite TV show of all time is after the workout. Okay, let's breathe, let's focus, share this on with everybody so we can all experience the power of the workout. We're going to start with the crisscross. Bring it down onto your back. Bend that right knee. We're going to do 20. Lift the chest. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Modify as needed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's reverse that 20 times. Can also extend the legs if you like. 20 times. Let's slow it down a little bit. Here we go. 1, 2. There's no rule that says we have to go really, really fast. Slow and steady wins the race. Also, we could dig deeper into our abdominals and the entire body. 11, 12, 13, 14. Sorry about my calves. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. 2 more. Boom. Boom. I got the notes right here. We're going to keep on flowing. The next one is called the oval. Take the legs up. Let's do 10. Hands can be here or behind the head. We're going to inhale, lower, exhale, bring it up. Little lift with the chest there. Feel that extra squeeze. There's 1. In the nose, out the mouth. Whoop. 3. 4. I'm already feeling that. Is that good? 5. Now we got it. Unleash that inimitable spirit in your workouts. Very controlled, very precise, very flowing. Boom. And lift. 1 more time. What is next? Okay, next, let's reach for the sky. Lift your tailbone up a little bit. 5 breaths. Each exhale, lift a little higher. These clouds, they are trying to give me the business here. I want some sun. Good. Keep the pressure on the abdominals, on the core, but make sure that core, you feel it connecting the whole body together. It's not separate. The core is the center of everything we have. Okay, heel beats, feet flat. Arms forward. Let's do 20. We're going to touch center. 2, 3. Really squeeze those sides. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Addie's roaming around out there. She's going to come and jump on me soon. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Steering wheel, tabletop, or take the legs out. Let's start with 10. Get your steering wheel here. We got the lower back down. We're going to pull to the side. Keep the integrity of the post. You're not dropping off into the dirt. Hopefully you don't have much dirt around you like I do. Here's 3. Exhale. In the nose, out the mouth. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Squeeze. Stabilize the center. And 10. All right, drop the legs back and forth. Keep it loose. Uh-oh, Addie's showing a little interest in what I'm doing now. That can be good or bad. I hope it's good bad. 1 more time each side. Twist and twist. All right, hollow back. I call it also extreme boat. Some people just call it, All right, arms forward. Lower back is down. In Pilates, we call that imprinting. Imprinting the lower back. Let's do 8 breaths. You can also take the arms overhead if you like. Or 1. like so, or keep it here. Belly button into the spine as you exhale. Has it been 10 minutes yet? Are we there? Has it been 10 minutes? Take it lower. Oh, 3 more breaths. I love these exercises. All body weight, do them anywhere, anytime. Okay, straddle crunch. Let me just take a moment and go, ooh. All right, that's very technical. Take the legs up. Fingers to the back of the head or take the arms back. You're gonna exhale, crunch it through. There's the reach, there's the straddle. Getting a huge stretch, and then back. Let's do 20. Are you ready? Here we go. Exhale through the mouth, inhale through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. An added boost of the stretch component of this exercise. 7, 8, 9, 10. Addie, let me know if there's a bear coming. 11, 12 is very important that we know that. 13, 14, 15. We're going to feel that tomorrow, or feel it right now. And 18, 19, 20. Okay, keep it open. Now the reverse straddle crunch. Same thing with the arms or fingers here. You bring the legs together, reach. 1. Let's do 20. 2, 3, 4, 5. What was I thinking? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 more of this beautiful, beautiful movement. Oh, I'm going to write a song about it. It's going to be called 15. 5 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. I know what you're saying out there. I hate that guy. Turn off that video right now. We're just about there, my friends. Let's take it side to side 2 more times. Feel that nice stretch. The illustrious notes. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Okay. We're going to bring the legs down right about here, arms to the side. We're going to open, close. Okay? 20 times. Let's speed it up. Inhale, exhale. 3. Take it lower if you will. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weird way to clap, isn't it? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my goodness. 19, 20. Okay. Let's finish off with single straight leg stretch, a classic Pilates exercise. If you want to do Pilates with me, just look me up. Look me up. Thousands of Pilates videos. Right leg up, left leg out. 20 times. We're going to pull and then switch. Head up or down. 1, 2. So we get a big stretch. Keep the abdominals engaged. 4, 5. Do 20. I might have miscounted. 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do 10 more. 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's stretch out the abdominals. Finish it off with cobra or upward facing dog. Come on down. Lift up here, stretching the abs, or you can come all the way up if you want. Drop the shoulders. Open the chest. Is that movement over there? Okay. It's just a dragon, probably a dragon running around the woods. Drop the shoulders. Squeeze the glutes. Squeeze the tops of the thighs. 2 more breaths. Finishing touches on that workout. Stretching the abdominals. And then little child's pose. That was fantastic, my friends. It's Coach Vigue Fitness, but with an I. Leave all your feedback below. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Oh, and by the way, let me know below, what is your favorite TV show? For me, I'm whittling it down to 3. This is so tough. We got Car 54, Where Are You? That's beautiful comedy from the early 60s. Founded on Nickelodeon when I was in high school. Now I own every season, which is 2. The Simpsons. Everyone knows The Simpsons. Came out when I was in high school. And Mystery Science Theater 3000. Columbo would be an honorable mention. I can't get into honorable mentions. There'll be thousands. Favorite TV show. Probably have watched more than any other. It's got to be Mystery Science Theater 3000. Whoo. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.